Here we are on board my 43-foot long-range cruiser with my 3 brand new Engel products bought from my generator. Here in the galley I've got the 95 litre fridge only unit. See, not much in it at the moment, we're just about planning to head away for a trip. And over to starboard I've got the 95 litre matching freezer and another fridge. Might have a couple of coldies in that one. I chose Engel because of its reliability, its tremendous name, and the service that I get from my generator is outstanding.